Manufacturing technology is machining and manufacturing. It encompasses many different aspects of machining or the manufacturing industry. So all of our students start with the certificate degree. It's a one-year program, 2 semesters, 8 courses. And the courses range from your basic print reading to your machining, and they go into shop safety and some CNC work. We can place you in a job with that degree. Some of them will choose to come back and earn their associate degree, which is a 2-year degree, and it consists of about 5 more machining or manufacturing classes and then about 5 more core classes. Within our program also, students earn NIMS credentials. NIMS stands for the National Institute for Metalworking Skills. It's a metalworking certification industry standard, and it's a series of modules, and it covers bench work, layout, drill press operation, milling operations, grinding, turning operations, and students complete these projects throughout the semesters.
It's opened up for dual enrollment also, and we offer it, in a lot of high schools. Once they finish up with their senior year, they finish up a certificate with us as well. And again, as soon as they graduate from May, all of our students that graduated had already internships offers.
What we like to teach at STC is not just structural, but it's also an art form. A lot of students don't want to actually go into the manufacturing, driven field. If they want to go out and, create custom parts, custom manufactured, skiffs, or even stuff like the bike shops, they want to go into gunsmithing, it's a possibility that they can, learn through the techniques that we teach in manufacturing.
Normally our classes are around 10 or 12 students per faculty member. We also do have a full-time lab assistant. So in our coursework, we issue different lab or machining projects. The very last class you take in our program is a capstone. You either get a job or we help you find a job, and you go to work for the semester. Our job placement has been anywhere from 80 to 90%, and that's pretty significant. I think that it's going to go higher and higher. There's more and more companies that are coming down here.
What I'm hearing from the companies is STC is really providing them with the skill sets that they need. So that's the proof in the pudding, is that's a good program.
As far as developing your skills as a machinist, if you were to learn at work, it would take you forever just to get one concept. And as far as if you come to school, you're going to have that spare time, you're going to have the teacher's time, and you're going to go into depth.
This field is not just for male, it's definitely for females also. Females do tend to be a little bit, either have patience or look into more detailed when the jobs that they're working on. We've had several females in the program before, and they do tremendously well. A lot of them have worked already in the field. They moved on to do engineering.
I even recommend it to people going into other forms of study like engineering, stuff like that. These are the basic building blocks of anything manufacturing, and engineering. And just to have that short level of expertise will bring you up that much farther once you're actually looking for a job. So I definitely recommend that, coming to college, joining us at the PMT is something that anyone that is driven in that field or likes it or is interested should come and do.